Yeah, you don't make mistakes. And when things are a mess, you always know the way. You always know the way. You are perfect every single day, in every single way. I don't have to worry. You're perfect when I don't know what to do. Yes, I know it's true. I don't have to worry. You're perfect. Yeah, I know you are. Perfect. Yeah, I know you are. You are perfect every single day, in every single way. So I don't have to worry. You're perfect when I don't know what to do. Yes, I know it's true. I don't have to worry. You're perfect. Yeah, I know you are. Perfect. Yeah, I know you are. You check it out. Perfect.
Ho! Ho! You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Yes, all done. Oh, hi there. I'm Manny. My uncle Sanjay taught me how to play hopscotch and gave me this hopscotch game to put in the clubhouse. Wanna see? Oh, wait. It helps if you pretend to be a bunny. They're the best at hopping. Here I go. Count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to turn around and go back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Watch this. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is fun, but it would be more fun if my friends were here. But my uncle isn't here to teach them how to play.
Ho! Ho!
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Ho! Ho! Playing all by yourself, are you?
Yes, I am Ollie. My uncle isn't here to teach my friends how to play.
Uncles are good teachers, it's true. But young people can be teachers too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Ho! Ho!
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hey guys, I'm Aisha and welcome to my cupcake food truck. Want to see my latest creation? Ta-da! They are my mini cupcakes because good things come in small packages. Which reminds me of today's story. If you're ready for the story, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Today's true story from the Bible is about a king. Now, when I think of kings, I think of someone older and wiser, someone who can lead the people. But the king in today's story was a kid. Yep, King Josiah was only a kid. Now, think about what most kids are doing, like eating ice cream or playing with blocks or kicking a soccer ball. But this kid was actually the king, which meant he had a lot of people to lead. King Josiah wanted to do what was right. He wanted to show the people how to go God's way. One day, his workers found a very special book. Do you know what it said? That God's way is perfect. That God loves us and knows what's best for us. So right then and there, King Josiah jumped and went God's way. And then he called all the people and told them that God's way is perfect. God loves you and God knows what's best for you. So jump and go God's way, everyone. Wow, isn't that amazing? Even when King Josiah was a kid, he told others about God's way. Now, here's a question. Do you think you, as a kid, could also tell others about God's way? Of course you can. There are lots of ways to do it. You can tell a friend, hey, God's way is perfect. Or you could show them every day when you go God's way. They'll see what God's way is like when they watch you sharing and helping others. No matter if you're young or old, you can go God's way and tell others about it. Because God's way is perfect. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, whose way is perfect?
God's way is perfect. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, whose way is perfect?
God's way is perfect. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Josiah taught others about God's way, and so can you. Ho, ho.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ho, ho.
Wow, Josiah became a king when he was a kid. And he taught others to follow God's way because God's way is perfect. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good! I can tell others that God's way is perfect, and I can teach my friends how to play hopscotch. I'll see you guys next time. I think I'm gonna play some more.
God's way is perfect. 2 Samuel 22:31. God's way is perfect. 2 Samuel 22:31.